We see Bitcoin's price going up every day. It almost seems like Bitcoin has no risk when it comes to buying since it goes up all the time. The real question is, if Bitcoin goes up like it has in the past, what price can it go to in the future? While many investors are skeptical on Bitcoin and don't own any since they call it a scam, there are also Bitcoin investors who are buying tons of it. Bitcoin's current price as I make this video is around $35,000 per Bitcoin. Let's see what mega multimillionaire Kevin OLeary has to say about Bitcoin.
I'm waiting for the day that one of these regulators comes down hard on Bitcoin. Grown men are going to weep.
Yeah, looks like Kevin isn't that much of a fan of Bitcoin, calling it nothing but a game and fun to watch. His prediction is that one of these regulators will come hard on Bitcoin and maybe even ban it for good, and it believes it will be the biggest loss of capital in history. Now let's take a look at what billionaire Mark Cuban has to say about Bitcoin. Mark Cuban is calling Bitcoin a collectible asset which if no one sells, it will continue to rise. Mark Cuban in fact owns Bitcoin and owns an ETN for Bitcoin in Sweden. He feels more secure owning the ETN than buying straight Bitcoin since the volatility is so high and it can't really track price. Bitcoin has a projection to surpass gold's market cap in this decade, and you will not believe what price it will be in 5 to 10 years. This is projected by Bitcoin and financial guru Andrei Jik, I believe that is how you pronounce his name. He talks about Bitcoin in the Impulsive podcast, and he projects that Bitcoin will surpass gold's market cap in this upcoming decade. While gold's market cap is around 10 trillion, and Bitcoin's being around 670 billion. If this projection is correct, we can see Bitcoin sitting around 500,000 per Bitcoin. He continues to say it's just pennies for Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin becomes a global reserve currency like gold used to be, one Bitcoin could be in multiple millions per coin. Alright guys, that concludes this video on Bitcoin. I will be doing a lot of more videos on stocks and crypto, and if you guys have any recommendations for more videos, make sure to leave them in the comments below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you guys in the next video.